Hey everyone, this is Daniel again. I'm doing some more Bondo sanding, and I was going to show you guys the rattle can trick. Anybody know the rattle can trick? So basically, you match something a cylinder size on the good side that matches the curve, the good curve. Okay, so you gotta put like a rattle can or anything. I found a rattle can was the right circumference, and so I taped 80 grit on a rattle can, so I got that nice curve that I want that matches the other side. Okay, if it's a bigger curve, you could use like a jar or a can of beans or whatever. Try to find something that matches your radius on your curve, and then so you fill it in with Bondo where your dent is, and you take your rattle can or whatever you got to match, and basically start sculpting your radius in. You can use strokes like this, kind of work it out to the flatter side. So you get the perfect radius you need. Alright guys, thanks for watching tips and tricks on how to do your body work. These are little dents that I sanded out, and I use a marker to go around the dent before I put Bondo on it, and that way when I sand it down I start seeing the marker lines. I can see them right where I'm supposed to be. Alright, thanks for watching.